Who's your favourite otter? Probably Joss.
Who is your favourite otter? For me, probably Bruce. He's sadly probably in his last days at the moment because...
Leave Bruce alone.
This is Bruce. He used to be a really thriving part of the team, but for some reason, one of my terrible bosses has kind of let him die. He's looking a bit sorry for himself. Hopefully he'll come back, but I don't know. I work with idiots, so I can't really say he's ever gonna make it.
Who's your favourite otter? Probably be the Canon 50mm 1.2. Obviously. Oh look, here's Joss.
Good coffees.
He's got coffees too. So you boys have fun down there, yeah? We've come up to see Chris's new space. We used to work in here actually. We used to work just over there with the great co-work space, Desk Co-work. And now Matt moved out. Chris is renovating this whole space. Pretty bright. That coloured wall looks like the same colour as a handbag. That's what I think anyway. We've now been roped in to move furniture because we're nice people like that.
So, 6 chairs, yeah?
Oh, that looks very
awkward. Not going to work,
awkward.
Ben, is it? But... I'll take me. Look at that. Where are the chairs gone? I don't even notice they're gone. Doesn't weigh a thing.
Is it too early to play Micheal Bublé?
No.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Joss is the fire starter. What are you doing?
Nothing, don't come upstairs for a bit.
I am the fire starter.
Jesus, Joss! Do you reckon it's cooked?
I am the fire marshal.
Careful, Dan, you're going to blow me away.
Ooh.
What's in it, plutonium?
You said 2 minutes.
Chicken in 2 minutes. Mate, I don't even do rice in 2 minutes.
How are you feeling, Joss?
Flustered.
Flustered.
Don't be a fire.
Just a fire? No one
I'm
has...
the fire marshal.
Fire Marshal Dan.
That's the second time I've said that.
At least the alarm worked.
I tried to do something nice for my bosses, again, as always. My lovely girlfriend Charlotte made some sticky toffee puddings. Tried to heat them up. I asked how long they should go in for, and Ben said 2 minutes. So I put them in for 2 minutes. And then I absolutely cremated one of them, set off a fire alarm, bit of a commotion, and now my one is completely rock solid. How are they, boys? Dan was doing that in the hallway.